in the world are you doing, Chewy? He's so goofy. What are you doing? Nothing like an almost 12-foot coastal carpet python on your bed. He'll sit here all day. I can go do anything I want to do and he won't go anywhere. Chewy, what are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You losing your marbles? He's got to be out with me on my daybed every day from morning till night or he's not happy. And he does the nose rubbing crap. So this is where he spends his day, on my daybed, sitting beside me in front of the television. Not like I'm sitting here, because I'm very seldom sitting here, but if I get up and walk away, he'll go crazy looking for me. You happy now I'm back? Huh? You happy now? All better? You're big. You happy? Huh? I got up and walked away, and he got goofy trying to find me, so I had to come sit back down beside him. Here he comes. Okay, come on. You want to get on my lap? You can. Is that April over there? Go say hi to April. Go tell April hi to you. People say snakes are boring. No, they're not. My snakes, I don't know why people make such a argument about the size of your snakes' enclosures, because it doesn't really matter. What matters is the quality of life you give them and the quality of time you give them with you. My snakes are very seldom in their enclosures. So their enclosures are nothing but a place for them to rest, to digest food, and to shed. The rest of the time they're out with me. So they have an excellent quality of life. The size of their enclosure doesn't mean anything, technically. It's the time you invest and the time you spend with them, giving them a good quality of life that counts. You want to keep your enclosure sanitary and suitable for them, yeah. But they don't have to be expensive and fancy for your snakes to be happy. This is what they're happy doing. Being out, being around people. Well, mine are anyway, because they were raised that way. Why are you back in your plastic tote, you goofball? Chew. What are you doing? I had to switch cell phones. That's why I haven't been putting any videos up lately, because I use my cell phone cameras for my videos. But now I'm back on my last cell phone, waiting for my new one to come in because the camera had issues from the day I got it. So that's being replaced. So for now, I'm back on my last cell phone camera. But I had him out here with me on the daybed, so I figured I'd get a new video of him. This is my soulmate. He really is. He thinks I'm his mate, I believe. I don't think he has a clue that he's a snake. He thinks he's a human. What are you doing? He's a big boy. Chewy came from Brian Barczyk at BHP Reptiles years ago. He's 11, almost 12 years old now. And he's a spoiled brat. He's not happy unless he's near me. And I just hate to see my snakes rub their noses. It drives me up a wall. So he gets to come out when I see him doing that. You're a pain in the butt. So, just want to let everybody know we're fine here.